So, here we are.
Are you really going to do this? Are you really going to get married?
Of course, of course.
You've never even met this guy.
Yeah, I love him.
That's just well and good, but is love going to put bread on the table?
So,
What the f are you thinking? You can bleep that out in editing, right?
this is my father. Go. There you go.
Hello. Hi.
Okay. And we are going to get married. No, I'm going to go get married.
She's getting married.
But
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. See here, and back here are the co-conspirators. Yes,
They're the ones
who've arranged this. Yes.
She's like, don't leave me alone.
I suppose that if this is what you want to do, I will give you my blessing.
Thank you, Dad. That means a lot to me.
This is the behind-the-scenes stuff.
This is behind the scenes of Welcome to Kyrgyzstan. Coming out 2018.
Yeah. It's the movie within the movie.
You're welcome. We're promoting. We hope you all watch Welcome to Kyrgyzstan.
Yes.
Featuring
Please.
us.
Making my film debut.
It's gonna be
Introducing.
great. Introducing.
That's right.
Steve, the attorney.
That's right. I'm over here hiding out in Kyrgyzstan.
Running away from America and Donald Trump.
I can't go back to the States. I'm wanted. No, it's not true.
It's all true. Okay, so wish us luck. I'm gonna go marry someone I've never met before. It'll be great. It'll be awesome.
And they lived happily ever after.
The end. So here we are on the side of the road.
We had to make a stop on the way to the wedding. I don't know why, but
We're on our way to my wedding, and they had to go in the Globus, so we're just kind of here.
How does that make you feel?
Makes me feel like they're not taking my wedding very
Are you
seriously.
nervous?
Yes, I'm nervous.
Well, look, how seriously can you take a wedding if you've never even met the guy before?
That's why I'm nervous.
Let's get you in this. How do you feel? Are you
Great.
nervous?
Yes, I'm nervous.
Well, why?
Okay, for one, my dress is so tight that I can't even breathe. And we're gonna be like sitting down the whole time watching people do their Kyrgyz dance, and I'm gonna be like suffering, just like and this guy is gonna think that I'm like mental. I'm your wife. My name is Keykey. I feel really unprepared because we're not gonna rehearse, because
What?
apparently they don't do that here.
I just want to know, are they going to like kill the horse?
Oh no, don't say that.
Horse for everybody.
You're not even supposed to be at my wedding. Okay?
Well, I'm here, okay? Deal with it,
How
honey.
did you buy a horse when you're not even supposed to be there? Kind of like, how did you invite people to a wedding you're not even invited to?
Hey.
What are they doing? It's so cold. Hey, so this has been a video with Steve and KK.
We're back. As you can tell, we're very serious about our craft.
We're so serious that
Honey, where's the...
you can't even tell that when
I don't
we're
even know where I'm
acting.
supposed to look on an iPad. How am I supposed to... What do I know to look at camera?
Okay, хорошо. До свидания. Okay, go. Go.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
I can't see anything. Okay.
So here we are.
So how do you feel? Wait a minute, you're fuzzy. Go.
Fix it.
Ah, yes, it's much clearer now.
It's like old people versus technology.
Yeah. Hey.
Okay.
Hey. My little girl.
So I think we're like an hour away,
Yeah.
and I still haven't met Alexander.
The question is he somewhere in this room?
Probably.
Is the mystery man here? Could it be him? No. He's too young. Oh, how about the man in the white jacket?
Where's my husband?
Я его даже не узнала.
He'll be here.
Who is my husband?
Who is my husband? Are you my husband? Excuse me. Are you her husband?
No.
Are you her husband?
Are
Are you her husband?
No.
Someday my prince will come. All right, we're going to take a little break now. We'll check back in with the blushing bride a little bit later.
Okay.
As we move closer to the big hour. Okay, that's it for now.
Bye, guys.
All right.
Look at my pretty little boy. Steve, do you feel beautiful yet?
I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty.
I like your bow tie. Bow ties are cool.
Oh, yes. RuPaul would be proud.
Look at this bald head.
Hey, hey, hey.
It's like the sun.
Okay. We're getting closer to the big hour, the big moment. And you, my dear, are looking fabulous. Really. Oh, come on.
How are you doing now?
I'm doing fine. I'm just chilling. You know?
Chilling?
Just like hurry up and wait.
Yeah, yeah. We're just waiting, right?
Wait for my 10 seconds of fame.
Did you see this? This is cool.
No?
Alexander touched it. He poked his eye.
Is it real?
Can I like?
Yes, really.
Alright, so
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. We're taking selfies. He's putting on his makeup.
Аргасу болуштун тамагыңыздар кантуу болсун, мына сервистерден жеп отурсаңыздар болот эле.
Say hi. Here we are waiting. I don't even know what we're waiting for. This is my beautiful friend who did my makeup. I get him. Makeup queen. Makeup artist forever. Makeup queen. Thank you. I love you. And here are the boys.
Husband
This is my husband
and his friend.
and his friend. They're doing something strange, as usual. We are sitting here. There's a, what is this?
Sheep? Sheep? Yes.
Here's a sheep, and here are the wedding guests. That's a fake cake. It's fake.
Кім болса отырсың. Мына эркек байке өзі отырады. Первым делом самолеты. Ну а девушки.
So,
Ана бесе Keykey.
it is 11,
Жаш балдарда ойнайбыз, бета темир мейиш кылып атат.
and we're still filming. Hot.
Осы
This way, I don't think we're gonna leave until 1 in the morning. Are you having fun? Are you having fun?
Yes.
She's so cute. Oh my god. Hi.
This is our regisseur.
Director.
Браво! Браво!
So here we are. We're still filming. It's 12 o'clock. And we've filmed the same scene now about 12 times.
Начали.
And it's just Steve walking into the door.
Сапқан сүйелерін сақтасындар.
Yeah, Steve.
Жана 2 жашыбыз тайга кетти. Алар Кудай кошкон Кудай болот, пайгамбар кошкон дос болот дейт.
I get him. Are we done? By the way, I think my husband ran away. Here we are filming, and my husband ran away. I haven't seen him now in like an hour. And I have no idea where he is. Yeah. So, we'll see how it all works out, guys, because I'm so tired. And my husband's missing, and my dad can't walk through a door. So, wish me luck.
Анnemesi тугандар.
We're still filming. We're now finally done
Wait a
filming.
minute, do it again.
And action. We are now finally done filming our
Okay,
wedding
okay.
scene. So now we gotta go home and get a couple hours of sleep. And then we gotta wake up and do it all over again.
And we're going to go to the airport.
At the airport!
That's the airplane.
Your first day of filming.
It was a little. It was fun after a while. It was like starting. It was a little.
It was kind of awkward at
Yeah,
first.
you gotta really kind of exaggerate
Yeah.
the expressions and things.
Yeah.
But it was fun. Looking forward to get up in the morning and doing it again.
Oh.
Yeah.
These are my beautiful, beautiful colleagues. Girls! Smile. Hello, love you.
Denizler Campazlar'dan iyi
There's
geçenler olsun.
my husband
Ortalar
and my
ilgilesin durmasına.
actor.